Hi everyone, I'm Yozo Yugen. In this video, I'd like to show you car crash simulation using free software. We can see some tutorial videos of simple car crash simulation by Abaqus on YouTube. So I'd like to try same simulation using free software. First, I talk about how to do the simulation. For solver, I use HAKAI, which is simple FEM dynamic explicit solver. This is open source program and we can get it from GitHub. HAKAI uses Abaqus imp file as input file and output results by VTK files. For post-processing, I use ParaView. Then just importing VTK files, we can see results. So for pre-processing, I have to make imp file. In this simulation, there are two parts, a car and a pillar. For car, as shown in some YouTube videos, we can use FreeCAD model of simple car shape. And using some free mesh tool, we can get nodes and elements data of the car. As necessary, modifying the mesh manually will be useful for later use in parametric studies. For pillar, we can model it as simple rectangular shape by some tools. Then, about other settings like boundary conditions, contact, analysis step size, we can write them manually. This is a simple car crash model I created. About the car, I set thickness and material properties, including plastic, according to the YouTube's video. And I set the initial velocity based on actual car crash tests. And I set mass scaling value to be approximately the same as the general car weight. About the pillar, I set only elastic properties and set the boundary condition so as to fix the all nodes of the bottom. Then let's see the imp file. You can write it in the same way as Abaqus imp file. About the part of the car, write nodes and elements data, and node set, element set, and solid section. And similarly about the part of the pillar. Here is the setting of assembly. Move the pillar so that the offset collision occurs. Make set of nodes for pillar's fixed boundary condition. Set the material named aluminum for the car and the name steel for the pillar. Set the boundary condition of the pillar. Set the initial velocity of the car and set the contact between the car and the pillar. Finally, set the step for dynamic explicit. Write fixed time step and end time of analysis. And set the fixed mass scaling. Okay, that's all for the imp file description. Then execute the analysis by HAKAI and see results by ParaView. Here is the results animation of rough mesh model. This is a very simple analysis, so of course we cannot evaluate or compare with actual crash tests, but we can see plastic deformation by crashing. Then to see more detailed deformation, try reducing the mesh size. We can see more complex deformations, and it may be necessary to consider self-contact of car body. Once we create the analysis model, we can try various analysis. For example, chain the pillar to the wall and consider self-contact of the cavity. We can see the buckle deformation of the car front. Finally, this is the experiment analysis using GPU. If your PC has high-spec computing power, you can perform high-load analysis of crash between cars. Now that's all. If you're interested in this solver and analysis, please check the GitHub URL listed in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.